guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is an exciting one. Today we are going to be giving my kitchen a makeover. So this is something I've been wanting to do since I moved into this house. So without further ado, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump in the video. One of the first things we're gonna do is go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen, putting everything away and just making sure the countertops, the floors, everything is clear.
Crashing down, I'm yours until the end of time.
So if you haven't been following my series, I have been doing a home refresh series here on my channel. I did some changes in my living room. I created an office space in another room. Lots of changes going on. We changed our teenage son's room, and then we are also changing some more spaces in our house that you guys will soon to see. So make sure you're subscribed for that. You have your post notifications turned on all so you do not miss that video. Another reason I wanted to change the space is this is kind of our main area. We do have an open floor plan, and we're always downstairs. We're in the kitchen, we're in the living room. So I like to make my house is airy and cozy and just a nice, comfortable space for all of us to be in. So this is actually the next morning. I'm giving you one last look at my kitchen cupboards because today we are going to be getting our kitchen cupboards painted. So we did hire somebody to do this job, and we did that for a couple of different reasons, and one of them being is that we will be selling our house in the near future. So we wanted to make sure that we had a professional job. If this was our forever home, we probably would have been a lot more comfortable just trying to do it ourselves. So as you can see here, they taped off every single area in our kitchen, which is amazing because they do not want to damage anything. They don't want to get paint on a space that isn't supposed to have paint. So this was a job in itself, you guys. It took hours to do, but I appreciate them taking their time and doing that. So I wanted to give you guys a quick overview on how far they had come. At this point, they had done the priming and the painting. So they were able to remove all of the plastic and the tape and all of that stuff. So I did ask you guys over on Instagram what you thought I should paint my jars. I asked if you guys thought I should do black or white. The only thing is you guys didn't know exactly how I was going to be doing my kitchen, but I did want to mention it was going to be the neutral colors, the same kind of style I've been doing in the other spaces in my home. And a lot of you guys voted for spray painting them white. So that is what I did. So spray painting was actually really fun to me. One of the things that you wanted to do is just make sure you're going from left to right down the jars, but very slowly. You don't want to apply too much paint where the paint will start dripping. So I ended up just doing the first coat right here on film just to show you guys what I was doing, and then I added 2 other coats later on. I let my jars dry for about 45 minutes in between. So one of the biggest challenges for me were going ahead and taping these off. I didn't want to apply any paint to the chalkboard part of these jars. So one of the things I've been mentioning throughout my social media here and on Instagram is that I do want to fill my home up with some real plants. I want to fill my home up with greenery, but I'm doing a mix of real plants and faux plants because I just love all the greenery, but I'm taking baby steps. I don't want to just buy a bunch of real plants until I know I can take care of them all. So this is my third real plant in my home. My first two are doing amazing. I love them. They are thriving. So I am ready to care for my next plant. So I'm just going to go ahead and repot this one because I did pick up this cute pot from Walmart. It's super cute and it just matches my decor perfectly. So now we're gonna go ahead and place the decor throughout my kitchen. As you can see the reveal, you can see the cabinets. They are gorgeous. I love them. So I am adding some of the decor pieces throughout the kitchen, and then you guys are going to be seeing the finished look. So over in this corner, I found a fun basket from HomeGoods, and that is where I'm keeping all of our fruits. So our bananas, avocados, oranges, apples, things like that will go in there. So I also went ahead and picked up this eucalyptus. I got it from the Hearth and Home collection. I will have the links to everything down in my description box. And then I found this cute lantern and this really cute greenery from HomeGoods. But what I'm doing here is just kind of playing with the spot. I did decide to switch sides and put it on the other side of my oven. I did pick up these black and white dish towels from Walmart. They were super affordable and I just wanted to keep neutral colors in the kitchen. So that's what I'm doing here. I was playing around with the placement of the towels and ended up just having the two towels, but I kind of like the other way. Let me know what you guys think. So I also did go ahead and shop my house, and that is where I got this sign from that I'm going to put right here, along with a little more greenery that I did pick up from HomeGoods. So I wanted to give you one last overview of my house before I show you the main reveal. All right, you guys, this completes the makeover. This is our new kitchen. We absolutely love the lighter color in here. It brights up the whole downstairs. We literally feel like we're walking into a new kitchen. I'm so pleased with how the decor came out because I do like a little bit minimal decor. Another big thing for me is having those hints of greenery throughout my home. It really just gives the kitchen a light and airy look. It's super cozy and it goes along with the rest of our decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment down below your thoughts. I would love to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video today. It was super fun to make for you guys. You guys know I love making over a space and just turning my house into a home. I'd appreciate if you guys can give this video a thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed it, comment down below and say hi. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.